Hi everyone, today we are going to be making some stained glass lanterns. So what you want to do first is you want to go to Google and you want to Google stained glass autumn, fall, whatever. And there's a whole bunch of different pictures and you're just going to pick the one you like and you're just going to print it out on vellum. Vellum is a thinner paper and I will link what I use from Amazon in the description. The taller lantern I printed in portrait, but the smaller lantern I printed in landscape. And if you go to the Daily DIYer, Shannon has a few of her stained glass patterns that you can get for free. And then you're just going to cut them out and you're going to tape them on the inside of your lanterns, and then this is what they look like. And then this is what they look like with the little tea lights inside. But if you want more light to shine through, this is kind of a very soft yellow glow. They have these small little lanterns at Dollar Tree that have a very bright white light that you can place behind the lanterns. And this kind of gives you a little bit more light that shines through and kind of gives you a more brighter effect to your stained glass and makes it look just a little bit brighter. And so that's a way that you can do that too, but I think they turned out super cute.